Hello, my name is Ashleigh and I'm a WhoFi partner advocate. Today, I have a product update for you. Libraries who were using the new registration feature in their WhoFi.com account were requesting the ability to add custom fields to their registration forms. Libraries informed us that they would use this in order to gather additional pieces of information, such as age groups, or specific different craft bags, such as themed options like dinosaurs or princesses. So let's dive in and I can show you how it works real fast. Once you are logged into your WhoFi.com account, on the left-hand side, we're going to jump into Community Calendar, and then we'll select Registration. Here in your registration menu, we're going to add a form. Here you can add a title to your new custom form or a description if you'd like, and then we're going to hit Add. Once you've added your registration form, you'll have a new section down here called Custom Fields. We're going to create a new custom field, and I'm going to call it Age. You have two options here to ask for a text box answer from your patron, or your patron can pick from a few different drop-down options. For now, I'm going to select a text box and hit Add. I am also passing out themed craft bags, and I want to know if my patrons want a dinosaur-themed bag or a princess-themed bag. So I'm going to hit Create, and I'm going to use the drop-down option, and I'm going to call it the craft bag theme. Here in the Options field, you will type out each option that you want to be listed in that drop-down menu. You will separate each option with a comma and no spaces. And then I'm going to hit Add. Just like in those default fields, you still have the option to either make these fields required or not, or show or not on your registration form for your patrons to fill out. I'm then going to hit Update. And great, now my form is saved. In order to use this form on an event, I have to go assign it in the calendar. So tomorrow is my crafting event. So I'm going to open that craft event for tomorrow, and then I'm going to select More. Here, under the registration dropdown, you'll select it and see that new custom form that you created. You can then fill in your other fields just like normal, such as adding your total capacity, and if you'd like, you can schedule when the registration form becomes available and its cutoff time. Once you've saved your event and your form is added, here on the events page, your patrons can then fill out this form and provide you with that additional information that you had requested. To view the information that was provided on the form, you can click to view the list for your event, and then in here you can download the list. And this is where you can see an Excel sheet view of the information that your patrons are providing for their age and for the craft bag theme. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about our new product update, the custom fields for registration forms. Let us know if this helps your library and if you have any other additional feedback or questions. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is John Kerber and I'm one of the co-founders of WhoFi. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to see other instructional videos about how to use WhoFi at your library or community center, then please click the like and subscribe buttons. This really helps other people know that these videos are useful and also so that you'll be notified when a new video is released. Thanks for watching and have a great day.